Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have purchased this yellow handloom fabric to make a cute summer outfit. I love the color yellow. It gives me a summer vibes, cool vibes. Okay then let's get started. First, I will do the pattern. I'm gonna make a very cute outfit out of this fabric. I'm gonna make a double layered skirt and a crop top. That's the front part of my skirt and one layer is done. So four layers are done for my skirt, long and short. Front it will be plain and back I will put elastic so that I can wear the skirt easily. I'm gonna make the top, whatever fabric is left. First I will do the cutting. That's the back part of my top. Top will be back open. Now let's do the front part. This is the front part of my top. It will be a sleeveless top. I love to wear sleeveless top during summer. Ta-da-dan! My cute summer outfit is ready now. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.